Guys, Saucy Bias back with our authentic video. Today we have a laser tape measure. Never knew they would make one of these, and I'm ready to see what it's really about. Okay, guys, we got the envelope. We got the tape measure. Oh, and it comes with some DSL batteries. That is the first. You'll put it in this hole right here. This is the first time I ever had a product that come with its own batteries. They're really doing something. I'm already liking them now. I highly recommend already. So you put the negative side over here, and then you put the positive side over here. And it turned on. It did not just turn on, it turned on the laser too. So the laser comes on instantly. To turn the laser off, you're gonna click this button right here. So I'm guessing to measure, what you want to do is, so we're gonna measure from this table to that thing right there, to my back curtain. So we want to measure, we're gonna click to U right here. You hit this U. I don't know if y'all, it's probably gonna be hard for y'all to see. And then the laser is right there. And it'll tell you the measurement from here to there. So once you point it, you want to point it, and you want to hit the U measurement. It's gonna tell you a couple different modes it's in. You have meters, you have feet, you have inches, and then don't forget we have the tape measure. So say you don't want to go laser, you use your tape measure. And to bring it back in, not like traditional tape measures, you hold this button and it comes right back in like that. So I would say it's a great buy. I would say it's worth it. A 10 out of 10. Wrist, arms to hold it when you're on everyday duty work. But I recommend this one. Highly recommend it. Like I said, it comes with a laser, and you can't beat it. That's it.